The Schluter shelf, with its sleek design, can be used both inside the shower and out. In bathrooms, kitchens, or any tiled wall application, the shelf is the perfect mix of style and function. The shelves are made of 5 32" thick brushed stainless steel. A variety of shapes and configurations are available. Schluter Shelf E is suitable for corner installations. The shelf is available in 3 different shapes and offered in 2 styles. They are designed to coordinate with the curve and floral styles found in Kerdi drain and Kerdi line drain grates. It features 3 32" thick tabs that allow for installation in the grout joint without cutting or drilling into the adjacent tiles. Schluter Shelf E can be installed in conjunction with the wall tiles or just as easily in retrofit applications. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Schluter Shelf E in a retrofit application. Let's get started. First, determine where the shelf will be installed. Mark the tiles where the tabs of the shelf will be inserted into the grout joint. Next, remove the grout from these areas. A grout joint width of 3 32" or greater will eliminate the need to notch the adjacent tiles. We are using an oscillating tool, but you can also use a grout removal hand tool or an angle grinder. Take care not to damage the waterproofing layer behind the tile during this step. Once the grout is removed, clean away any dust or debris. You can use painter's tape on the surrounding tile and the shelf for the next steps of the installation, if desired. Fill the gaps in the joint with a sealant that is suitable for the application. We've used clear 100% silicone in our installation. Insert the shelf. Seal the joint between the shelf and the wall tile on the top and bottom surfaces and finish the joint. Provide temporary support if needed. We used a caulking tool, but other methods may be used as well, depending on installer preference. Remember to remove the tape before the silicone dries. Allow the sealant to set before using the shelf. The installation of the Shelf E is now complete. Schluter Shelf, a convenient accessory that offers style and function for tiled walls.